Good evening, class. Today we're going to deal with estimating products in lesson 2.4. So please listen closely because I'm going to give you two methods that you will follow in order to estimate. The first one that we're going to take a look at is rounding to the greater factor, and then using mental math to find the product. So when we do that, we're going to go ahead and look at the greater factor, which is 95. We're going to look at the digit right next to the number that is at its largest point. In other words, we're rounding it to its greatest place value. So this 5 lets us know that this 9 becomes a 10 because anything between 5 and 9 lets us know that the digit goes up 1, and anything between 0 and 4 lets us know that the digit stays the same. So the 9 becomes a 10, and we just drop a 0 to represent the 5. We're going to multiply 6 times 100, but we're going to look at our base numbers or base factors, which are 6 and 1. 6 times 1 is 6, and we just drop our 2 zeros. And guess what, folks? We have just come up with our estimated product. Now we're going to take a look at the second way that we can find products through estimation. You're going to find two numbers the exact answer is between. The way you're going to do that is you're going to say, what two hundreds is this 759 between? In other words, we're going to look on our number line and we're going to say, what two hundreds in this particular case? If we're dealing with tens, what's two tens? If we're dealing with thousands, same concept. In this particular case, we have 759. And so we're going to say, what two hundreds is 759 between? If we look down the way, it would be between 700 and 800. Now, what do we do with that? We go ahead and we multiply 7 by each of the numbers. And we will come up with our estimated amount. So, we also look at the base factors, just like we did up here. And if we do that, we have 7 times 7, which is 49, and we just drop the 2 zeros. In this particular case, we say 7 times 8, which is 56, and we drop the 2 zeros there, and we have the two estimated numbers that the actual answer would be between. Now, if you don't understand, I advise you to go back and go over it again and again, for as many times as you need to understand these simple concepts that you can use tomorrow in class. Remember, there are two things that we will do. We will round using mental math to estimate the final product, and we will round to find the two estimated numbers that your actual answer is between. Please make sure you study this and look at it well, for tomorrow we will use it in class. Good night.